Welcome to another edition from Share It with Eric and Friends. Share It with Eric and Friends. We're going to cook soup in the microwave.
And it ought to be really fun.
We have 3 bars of soap to work with. We have one like it is.
And one's cut up.
And the last one is if you make a mistake. And now we're going to put them in the microwave and see what happens. Now here we go. It's growing. It's growing, guys. Oh my gosh. Now there it is. Whoa! Oh my gosh.
Now we're going to try the one that's cut up.
Push it 2 times. Is it growing? Growing? Oh, where is it going? Is it growing yet? Is it gonna grow? It's growing.
It's growing.
And there it is, guys. Now here's the one that's cut up when it's growing. Oh, that's mine over there. Oh my gosh. Well, there it is, guys. And they both look good. It's cool. It doesn't feel like marshmallow. Show it in there. What? It's raining. Whoa, look at that pile. Oh, this one feels like marshmallow. It smells good, snow.
It smells good, too.
It smells good. I'll let you know how it turns out later. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye. This is cool. I never felt this before. Have you?
No,
I haven't.
I haven't either.
Wait, do you actually have this kind of soap? This is a lot?
No, I don't have this kind.
I don't either. This is all I'm going to take.